This is the A-Zone 2-pack of solar outdoor motion sensor lights. Let's take it out of the box. In the box, you get the user manual, of course. You get the light itself. Now there's two of these. I'm only going to be showing you one because they're identical. You get a mounting template here, and if the light is just right, you might be able to see the little punch outs where the screws go in that. So you can peel this off and stick it to where you need, and you can mark your holes and whatnot with that. They give you a sticker that says there's a security camera. This is a decoy. It is not a real camera. It's just a light. But it looks like a camera. So they give you the sticker. They give you 3 screws and plastic wall anchors. You get 2 sets of those, 2 of the stickers, 2 of these templates, and they also give you an Allen wrench here to adjust the various nuts and bolts and whatnot on there. So like I said, this is a solar light. You can see there are 6 LEDs there, as well as the motion sensor. This will put out 800 lumens on its brightest setting, and these are Ip66 waterproof. They can be out in the rain, snow, because you're going to be mounting this on your house or shed or garage or what have you. Everything here is aluminum except for the solar cell over here, which is plastic. These operate on a dusk-to-dawn schedule. So in other words, when it gets dark out, they come on, and in the morning when it starts getting light out, they turn off. They stay on all night. The motion sensor works this way. When it turns on at night, it's on a dim setting. And that'll just stay on all the time. There's no way to adjust that. It just stays on. If something triggers it by the motion sensor, then it will go to high brightness. And of course, I'll be demonstrating that to you in just a little bit. They have a 1500 milliamp hour battery, which recharges in 5 to 6 hours. And they claim it'll run for 40 hours on a charge. So anyway, let me show you a little bit more about the light, and then I'll give you a demonstration. So like I said, it kind of looks like a security camera of some kind. Here's your solar cell on top. This can be pivoted and adjusted. There's a button there to turn it on or off, and an adjustable mount over here. You can angle it, and I would have to just loosen the screws on there with the included wrench in order to position that exactly, so you can position it exactly how you want. So you'd want to mount this on the house in such a way that the solar cell would be facing the sun, so usually south would give you the best charge on these, but you do what you have to do depending on your property. So anyway, let me go ahead and turn this on. So I'll set it down here. I'll press the button, and of course nothing happens because it's light in here. So here it is at low brightness. It's just on, just to add a little bit. It's not completely dark in this room, so this is the best I can afford you for now. It's just there, and as I walk by, it goes to high brightness, and it gets really nice and bright. So you can see low to high right there. This is at high brightness. Even down there, it certainly lights up the way, and you can see, compared to not being there, certainly makes a difference and can provide some nice light. And when I turn the room lights on, it goes out. So certainly an interesting design. It's nice that it's all self-contained solar as such, like that. This can turn and pivot and do anything you need there. And it looks like a decoy camera, which will fool some people, at least at a quick glance. So that's certainly nice there. All around a nice security light from A-Zone. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.